Good morning, friends. I am Partho, Soma's husband. Today, I have been entrusted with the work of giving voiceover to her new channel, Soma's World. She is busy today and she is going to prepare fish item, tilapia fish. And as you know, Bengalis are very fond of fishes, rahu, katla, tangda, prawns, and so many fishes, hilsa. Now, one of the very common fish is tilapia, and it is not very costly and it is easily available. So, today she is going to cook tilapia fish, and believe me, in the entire procedure will be completed in half an hour. So, let's see how she is going to cook it. So, let us proceed towards Soma's kitchen. This is her kitchen and she will be preparing tilapia fish today. So for cooking tilapia fish, we need a tilapia fish cut into half of the pieces, potato, chopped onion, chopped tomato, green chili, mustard powder paste. So you can paste the mustard seed, chopped coriander leaves, and spices. Basically, we are having red chili powder, turmeric, and kalonji or onion seed. So first, we will add some oil and turmeric powder into the half cut tilapia fishes, and we will mix it well so that it is ready to be fried. We have already put the kadhai on the stove and the mustard oil. When the oil is hot, then we will put the tilapia fishes into the kadhai. We have to fry it well so that it is ready for cooking. As you can see that it is hot and we are frying it well. We have to toss it upside down for frying both the sides. So the basic intention is to fry it well to keep it ready for our next stage. Now we will use the same oil in which we had fried the fishes. So first we will add some spices like kalonji, that is onion seed, and then you can see that we are adding first onions, chopped onions, we will wait for it to become golden yellow. Then we will add some potatoes, and every time we will toss it fine so that it is cooked well. We will keep the flame low or as you desired. So now you can see it is becoming golden now. and then we will add tomato puree. For making tomato puree, you can choose some 3-4 fresh tomatoes, and you can grind it in your mixie, so the tomato puree is ready. So we will wait for some time. Now you will add salt to taste. We will again mix it well. Now you can see the water is almost soaked. Once you are satisfied that your thing is ready, then you can add some chili, the split chilies. So the split chilies are very nice to taste. The pungent flavor will add into it. Now you can see that our preparation is ready. Then we will add some water. So we are basically trying to make a tilapia fish curry, and here you can see the kalonji, and now we are adding the mustard seed paste. As we have prepared earlier, the mustard seeds are ground into the, and then in the gravy we will add the already fried tilapia fish. We will leave it for some time to cook. And once you realize that it is almost cooked, then you can add some coriander leaves. So the flavor of coriander leaves are also very good, and we will also wait for some time for its finishing. Now our tilapia curry is ready. So we are making it ready to serve. This is a very fine preparation, very easy and digestible one also, and you can also enjoy the flavor of the fish. So you can see that it is now ready. So this is our final product, tilapia fish. If you like and if you wish to share, please subscribe this video, please. Thank you.